जलधितरङ्गा तव शुभाशिषमा।
बोलो भारत माता की, बोलो भारत माता की।
76th Republic Day and gold medalist in MTech course in Capgemini. As a pivotal role in shape to work on various projects is what has all made all the journey. So to all the students, this is not just about achieving good grades. Now, let's continue to innovate. Let us strive to make a positive impact.
I request Nasir Sir for a patriotic
And gold medalist in MTech Computer Networks and Engineering and currently working as full stack developer in Capgemini. As I stand here today, I am reminded of from being a student in this very institution to becoming a successful professional.
As engineers, we have the power to shape our India's future. Let us use our skills.
Is the cornerstone of its democratic system. It guarantees equality before law, freedom of speech, and protection against discrimination.
The Constitution was well drafted by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who is the main architect of our Constitution. The Constitution was written keeping the values of democratic values, secularism, fraternity, and equality.
before the and she also propagated that Durga Bai Deshmukh.
She was a part of Hindu Satyagraha and the status of women, and she knew that women are not equally. She was the essential in what the constitution has. State anthem.
हिस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से मुनक्किद किया गया था। इस डिपार्टमेंट में हमने आज का जो मरिया पर जो ये एग्जीबिशन मुनक्किद किया गया है, ये वो ख़वातीन हैं जिन्होंने हमारे आइन को मुकम्मल करने में अपना किरदार निभाया है।
This exhibition highlights the importance and the role of women. They have contributed for our constitution. I think we almost don't know about the women who contributed to our constitution. There were 15 women, as well as we also find their signatures in our constitution.
Mainly 15 women were taking part in the constitution, and like Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, Sarojini Naidu, Kripalani Madam, and many more. Here they were discussed about the rights of the women and the discrimination based on the caste and gender. They fought for the rights for the women and all.
Exhibition, it was a great experience to all of us. In this exhibition we have seen 15 women of our Indian, and in this exhibition Indian 15 women are contributed in the Indian constitution. So it was a great experience, and we gained so many knowledge, so everyone should see it.
Students who are very busy in their studies, a very happy Republic Day to all.
ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಅವರು ರಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಒಂದು ಮಾದರಿಯ ಸಂವಿಧಾನವನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು.
चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले ये वतन साथियों.
76th Republic Day. On 26 January 1950, the Indian Constitution was written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. I wish you a happy Republic Day to one and all. Thank you.